crazy difference, man. That's in 911 too.
Yeah. Well, 25 years difference.
Yeah, 35 years difference.
Go 964, including historic license plate. So it's 25 plus year old, proper old timer with a very few mods, because H plate means that no mods are allowed except if those are safety mods. So in this case it has the different suspension, or in case if they're time conform. So I don't know what was in the fashion 25 years ago, but for example, roof wheels were in the fashion 25 years ago and still are. The car sits on some Pirelli street tires, and to be honest, they were fantastic. There was like nothing to be wished for, because they did their job. The discs were a bit warped-ish, but it was actually good. Power. So first of all, this is a 964 C4, so all-wheel drive. Still of course engine in the back, air-cooled engine, stock, 270 horsepower. Of course a bit of loss on the four wheels. Recaro Sportster CS seats, fantastic seats that I have also over there somewhere rotting away in the old Golf of mine. No, really lovely car with a brand new clutch. That's why the smell, but you cannot smell stuff through the television, I think, or YouTube, or your mobile phone, or whatever. It was a very nice and easy lap, a proper lap for such a car, so enjoy.
One last picture before.
Ta-da! The magic touch.
The clutch is new, so
you can smell it.
If you smell it, it's fine.
Yeah. So far good.
Yeah?
Don't feel anything nervous, so the car is set up nicely. The cars next to us, not so much. Whoa, dude, come on, leave some space. I don't have much experience with 964, but even 993, if you don't put like all the poly bushes and everything, the chassis is so loose, the engine lives its own life, and here everything is...
It's stiff and good, right?
Yeah.
And the new drivetrain is like the KV4 V3.
Okay.
It's like, it's a total change in the car.
Okay, yeah, so it's not fully stock, that's good.
difference with all-wheel drive?
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's definitely well, it gives more confidence in the corners
Yeah.
that it won't snap oversteer on you.
But would you say with a C2 you would be faster in total?
Maybe after a time, because
After a time,
I would be in the beginning. It would take me a bit more time to get comfortable with the limit of the car. But with this, I know that it's not going to oversteer as much on the corner exit, or even on an understeer.
Okay, cool.
So it's yeah, it's an easy car to drive.
Yeah.
And it's yellow.
Means?
Yellow flag incident up ahead.
like something
so,
happened.
yeah. But no, really good. I think right now the only limiting factor is possibly the brakes. You see, you feel the vibration. You see, it's
Why?
the
Why
discs
is
are a
that?
bit warped in this case. So does the traction here say anything?
Brakes are maybe 12 to 15,000 kilometers old.
Yeah. 135.
Wow.
Yeah, it's quite. But it's on light braking. When you press them hard, then they grab the discs properly, and then you don't have the issue. But the discs are definitely not so straight anymore.
Okay. And that's not a problem for you now.
No.
Okay.
Oil pressure is high. Everything is good.
Yeah. And that's on the left side is always like this, you know, right? So it always says nothing.
Ah, yeah.
If you get off the clutch, it fills up.
Ah, yeah.
So that's the most asked problem in the 964, why it's empty all the time.
Ah, yeah.
So, crazy difference, man. That's in 911 too.
Yeah. Well, 25 years difference.
Yeah, 35 years difference.
yeah, so like I said, the brakes, I would just, if you want to do more track with it or something, that seems like a limiting factor. And maybe the floor mat was causing the issue or something, because it felt almost like
You can't put full speed.
I don't know. It felt like it was like missing maybe like half a centimeter of throttle pedal.
Ah, okay.
Maybe, but yeah. Most important is that all is good. The car is good. We had good fun. It's a nice, easy car to drive. So the only thing changed is suspension, or what else was done to it?
Suspension, better brake discs, and like everything you can do on the brake drivetrain. And on the engine, it's the German word is Luftmengenmesser, Luftmassenmesser.
Yeah.
And just all the specs you can do basically on an original car.
All right. Cool. Well, happy we could make it happen.